Starting from the lower limb, put the pocket over the lower limb tip, then stretch the strap out towards the upper limb. Put the loop over the upper limb tip and hold it in place while you lower the strap to the ground. Strap on the strap and then put tension on the bow. This releases tension on the string so you can take it off and unstring the bow. Relax tension on the bow and you're done. To string the bow, it's the opposite. Step on the strap and put tension on the bow. Move the string up to the upper limb tip. Make sure you've got the string in the notches. Check that the string's centered on the limb, and then release. Looking at the tip, we put tension on the bow. We can put the string onto the tip in the notches and check that it's centered before releasing tension on the bow. Same thing if we want to unstring the bow, tension on the bow again. Take the string off. I like to leave it on the upper limb if I'm not going to take the bow down. Take the loop off the top and the pocket off the bottom, and you're done.